Morning children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you the sound of alphabet letter O. O. But before that we are going to revise the sound of M, G, U, F, J. The sound and action for M is The sound and action for G is g g g g g g g g. The sound and action for U is The sound and action for F is The sound and action for A is A. The sound and action for J is J. I will sing a song. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? The words for the O sound are O, boat, O, boat, O, coat, O, coat, O, loaf, O, loaf, O, coal, O, coal, O, goat, O, goat, O, oak, O, oak, O, oats, O, oats, O, soap, O, soap, O, load, O, load, O, road, O, road. Children, watch this video and practice the O sound. Now children, from Creative Beginning Language Skill, worksheet number 5, page number 9, topic words with O sound. Color each object that has O sound in the word and trace them. So children, first we will color the boat. See children, you have to color like this, then you have to trace B, O, A, T. Boat. Snail. Snail has no O sound, so don't color it. Horse. Horse has no O sound, so don't color it. Goat. Goat has a O sound, so color it and trace also. Soap. Soap has a O sound, so color it. Coat. Coat has a O sound, so color it. Now children, turn your page. Worksheet number 6, page number 10, topic words with O sound. Color the area with O words. Soap. Soap has O sound, so color it. Seed. Seed has no O sound, so don't color it. Float. Float has O sound, so color it. Boat. Boat has O sound, so color it. Book. Book has no O sound, so don't color it. Goat. Goat has O sound, so color it. Road. Road has O sound, so color it. Thank you.